Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series of ServiceNow dashboards and data visualization. In this video, let's continue reusing the existing reports without affecting other dashboards. Go to the dashboards and go to the report that you would like to add in other dashboard. To modify this, we have to rename, insert and stay this report. Now, let's quickly go to the dashboard where we wanted to add this particular report to. Now click on add. We can also adjust the report by dragging and dropping option. Let me impersonate a user and let me open this particular dashboard, how it is visible. For now, I'm selecting this user. And this user is under engineering services group. This report is not accessible to this particular user because it was not shared with the user. Let me quickly end the impersonation and provide access to the user. Share the report. Now share the dashboard with the group that you would like to share. Here we can specify the group or you can specify the particular user, and we can also provide it based on the role. For now, I'm providing based on the group. Add the group, which is engineering services. For now, I'm leaving it as can view so that the members can only view but cannot edit the dashboard. Click on share. The dashboard is being shared but not the report. We did not provide access for report in the dashboard. And the impersonation and navigate to the dashboards. Click on edit. Click on share. Here we need to specify the group. Click on save. We have to do the same steps for all the three reports which are present in our dashboard. Let me quickly impersonate, and now the reports are also visible to the user. This is how you can provide access to the particular user, group, and based on the roles. Thank you.